asuntoskeittiö Kerttulinkartano.
Another amazing innovator today on the 24th of September 2023, but nobody is coming yet.
Yeah.
It's on Kerttulinkatu Järtysgatan 18th, they say, in Turku, Finland, close to Kone station, and next to where the new light rail line should be built as soon as possible. It was built in 1967, charged 55, sold in 2022. Unfortunately, the same year when the first of the old tram lines were destroyed. That was 1967.
Yeah.
And the symbol is 14429, but so far have to be expecting it next year, 2024. Faster. I like the smell in here. And the sounds, and it's faster. It should have been with pop-out fixtures because the machine is the same as for pop-outs.
Yeah, or MPN7.
Yeah.
Dit pakje wijsbestand met het pak Kone.
That's it. Thanks so much.
That's